All right, so recording is started. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for joining this event. I'm really very excited for this webinar, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to showcase our product, Communicato, which is making the conversation smarter. Let me introduce myself. I am Amzad, and I am tech head over here for this product Communicato. Also, we are looking for some more products, but over in this webinar, basically we will showcase Communicato. So basically, I have decided this session to divide in two parts: the challenges which the customers are facing related to the communication, and how this communicator helps those customers to overcome those challenges. So challenges would be like the end customer want the unified experience through multiple social channels. Uh, there should be a single place to view interactions from multiple channels, and something like automation for customer follow-ups, engagements, and real-time analytics. Um, how these are certain challenges which customers are facing, and how these challenges are going to overcome by this communicator. In the last, I will showcase one story for a company who is actually using communicator and overcome their pain area. So let me talk about the features. Before that, let me share my screen. I'll run through each and every feature of this communicator. Let me share my screen. Do let me know if you are facing any problem. I hope my screen is visible to you all. So the features of this communicator are like ability to converse on multiple social channels. That's the communication center. So over here, what we have done in communicator, we have integrated approximately 8 9 social channels along with this platform Salesforce, from where anyone can do the conversation, can do the chat with the business owner, and the business owner can do the communication with the customer. So basically, this is this is overcoming the challenges of B2C organizations majorly. Otherwise, it works on B2B too. So for example, if I'm talking about this communication center, this is a place where anyone can do the communication with the business owner, and business owner can also perform the communication by sitting on one platform from any channel. If you see here in the left hand side, Facebook is there, Telegram is there, uh, WhatsApp is there. So let me show you quickly how this communication goes. So if I'm running here, if I'm sending a single message saying hello, how are you? If you see here, it's on the fly. As soon as this message receives here, you will see a, a message will appear here. And I think I have sent on the right place. Sometimes get delayed. But anyways, this is, hold on, let me see if I can. Okay, let me show from Facebook. If you heard this voice, you will see that a message is appearing here from Facebook. And if I'm saying hello, how are you, from here to Facebook, it will go on the fly. This works on this works on WhatsApp also in the same manner. So let me show you here. Got this voice? I'm fine. Thank you very much. If you see here, the message goes on the fly from communicator to Facebook, from Facebook to communicator. Same works with WhatsApp. So if you see here, there are three sections. Over here, you will see all the channels, the communication happens. And this third section is basically we can link this communication with any of the lead. So if I wanted to link this communication with the lead, mm, I can link this communication with the lead, and this communication will be tagged under the lead. So if I'm coming under this lead, I can easily go to this tab and I can see all the past conversation, whatever has happened in the past, along with date and time, you are able to track here. So this section is basically, it's an ability to see multiple channel conversation history from here. Also, you can send the message directly while sitting here to any of the channels. For example, I'm using this Wati. This is a WhatsApp channel. If I wanted to send a predefined or pre-configured template while selecting from here, I can do that. I've selected this template. I can send it. This template will go on WhatsApp. Same for whatever channels I have configured here. This is for Telegram. I have configured it, and this message will go onto Telegram. Same way, I can attach the file while clicking on this icon. I can attach the file of um, uh, any extension like PDF, Excel, PowerPoint, Word, any video file, or any uh, maybe voice or any song file, anything. You can send a file from here to any of the channel. Also, you can schedule uh, the message from here while selecting any of the date and time. Yeah, definitely for future date and future time you wanted to schedule it, you are able to do that. So from here, you are able to perform couple of items. Let me run through once more. You are able to send the predefined template. You can schedule, you can attach the file, as well as you are able to see the past conversation, whatever has happened in the past. If you see here, I have done some conversation just now in front of you. All the messages are appearing here. So same way for WhatsApp, for any channel which you have done in the past, you are able to perform here. Um, Let me go back to communication center. So if you see here, I have shown you a couple of things. Quickly, I would like to tell you that you are able to send the emojis, you can link the customer, you can also attach the file. As I have said, in over there, you can attach the file from here also. Any extension. So for example, let me I'm attaching this file here just for your information. I'm attaching the file here and I'm sending it. As soon as I'm sending it, this will go to this particular channel. So if you see here, this file has gone. You have heard this voice. This file has came here. Okay. So what I'm trying to show here is there are lots of pain areas which customers were facing. This communicator overcome those pain areas. Now, you can also, schedule the bulk messages, or you can send the bulk messages using list messages, right? So you can come here in the list messages, you can select the channel. For example, I have selected WhatsApp or Telegram, whatever channel you have configured. You can select the predefined template here, whatever predefined. Let me select any predefined template. So I have selected here. Uh, Click on next. I can select any of the list views. So in order to send the bulk messages to to number of people in one go. For example, you wanted to send a welcome message to all those customers who has just onboarded to this business. You can create a list view of all those customers who have recently onboarded with the customer. And then when you come here, you wanted to send um, bulk messages, or you can wanted to send couple of message to a couple of people. You are able to do that while selecting that list view which you have just created for those who have just onboarded. So over here, you can send the messages to lead or a contact by creating the list views. Also, you can create the reports, and you can send the messages to lead and contact based on whatever reports you have created. So for example, I wanted to select um, two list view from lead. I wanted to select two list view from contact. And I've selected these four selected audience. And then um, over here, you can schedule. Also, you can send it immediately. So as soon as you are scheduling, you are actually scheduling for future date and time. Over here, you can, do the preview. And as soon as you click on finish, this particular message will go to this number of audience immediately. Right now, I have select letter means for future date. And if I would have selected immediately, it should have shown now. So see here, send immediately. It will show here now. That means this message will go right now. So if I'm talking about the channels, there are a couple of channels which is possible with this communicator, like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, Insta Messenger, um, Telegram, SMS, in WeChat. So these are certain 8-9 channels that we have integrated. But otherwise, if you think that a couple of more channels you would like to integrate, we are able to do that. Only thing is that we need the API document which is needed for integrating that channel. All right. Engage 360. Engage 360 is basically this is engaging with the customer using pre-configured responses. So I'm just taking an example. I want I'm just creating a story. Let me take you this way. A car services company wanted to reach out to the customer and schedule a meeting without any human interaction in this pandemic time. So how they do that? How they do that? So they can go to Engage 360. They can select whatever channel they have integrated with. For example, they are selecting Telegram, and in this Telegram, they can create a new record. As soon as they will create a new record, the pre-configured responses will go. Let me show you from here. You can come here. You can go to this lead. I'm selecting add to engage, and I'm selecting this Telegram as my my channel. Click on next. Let me see if I can get a message here. Oops. Just give me a moment. Let me Telegram. Just give me a moment. Let me just give me a moment. Let's see. Telegram. Okay, here you go. Telegram. Settings. Devices. Scan QR code. There you go. So if you see here, a message has came. Thank you very much for contacting us. Please let us know which car type do you have. I'm saying my car type is hatchback. See very carefully. Whatever message, whatever selection I'm doing, it shows the pre-configured responses saying that, okay, which brand do you have? I'm saying my brand is this. Now it is asking for which car service you are looking for. I'm looking for wheel, rim, and alloy care. So then after that, it is asking for what is your location. I'm saying my location is Hyderabad. It will again ask a couple of questions saying that, okay, what is your preferred pick and drop time? This is my preferred pick and drop time. It's saying, okay, thank you very much. You get a free pickup and drop service from our end. And once that is done, this flow is over. You can come here under this lead. You will see, just let me refresh it. You can see the past conversation, whatever communication has happened. If you see here, whatever communication I have done on Telegram, it is showing here under this past conversation tab. So this is how this communicator helps the customers to overcome their pain areas of doing the communication by sitting on one platform instead of going on all the platforms and doing the communication. For example, a business owner mm, are doing their communication using Facebook Messenger, using WhatsApp, using Telegram, using Twitter, but they are not able to track on at one place. Each time they wanted to go um, on each platform, saying couple of customers are doing some communication on Facebook, couple of customers are doing communication on WhatsApp. So each time they are going on those platforms and seeing whatever communication is happening over here, under one platform, and at by sitting on one screen you are able to perform any communication using any channel, whatever it is being integrated, right? So this is how the communicator helps to overcome the challenges of the customers. I have shown you the features, I have shown you the story. This communicator helps in any domain. Domain is not the matter. Only thing is that how you are going to use this communicator, and this communicator is built for built. I mean, this is the App Exchange product which will work on Salesforce. So this is how a communicator works, and thank you very much for joining this webinar. If you wanted to connect with us, just go to our website, which is communicator.com. This is our website. You can come here. You can schedule a demo with us, as well as if you wanted to, if you are having any query, just send us an email on the email ID team@communicate-o.com. This is our email ID where you can send your queries, your interest, your whatever question you have, you will get the answer from our team. Also, you can schedule a demo with us. Time is not the matter. You can schedule to whatever time zone you are sitting. Just schedule a call with us. Our team will connect with you and we can schedule a demo with you guys, um, as well as whatever questions and queries you have related to channels, related to anything which you think that this feature should be there. Will that be possible or not? We can answer your queries then and there. All right. So this is how our product communicator goes. Thank you very much. Thanks for your joining and thanks for your time. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.